Right now, a giant island of stars is moving toward us. It's racing through the dark at thousands of miles every second. This isn't a story from a book. This is real, and it's happening above your head. Its name is Andromeda, and it's our cosmic neighbor. Andromeda is huge, truly huge. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, has maybe 300 billion stars. That's a lot. But Andromeda has 1 trillion stars. It's like a cosmic kingdom, glowing in the deep dark, far bigger than our own starry home. This giant neighbor is very far away. It is 2.5 million light-years from us. That means the light we see from it tonight started its trip long before people ever walked the Earth. It's a picture of the past, sent across an ocean of time. Andromeda is more than just a pretty light in the sky. It is a character in our future story, a giant, beautiful galaxy on a very, very long journey, a journey that will end right here with us. So why is it coming this way? It's all because of an invisible pull. The most powerful force in the whole universe, gravity. It's the same thing that keeps you on the ground and keeps the Earth going around the sun. It just works on a much, much bigger scale. Both our galaxy and Andromeda are wrapped in giant, invisible clouds. These clouds are made of something mysterious called dark matter. You can't see it, but its pull is super strong. These dark halos are like giant cosmic magnets, pulling our two star cities together, closer and closer. This great cosmic pull isn't a new thing. It has been happening for billions of years. Ever since our galaxies were young, they have been slowly, surely dancing toward each other across the blackness of space. It is a date that was set a long, long time ago. Now, picture standing on Earth, but millions of years in the future. You look up at the night sky. It will be different. That little fuzzy patch of light we call Andromeda will get bigger and bigger and bigger. Over a very long time, it will grow into a magnificent shimmering spiral. It will stretch across our sky, a river of 1 trillion stars, so close you feel like you could touch them. It will be the most amazing sight anyone has ever seen. So, when these two giant star cities finally meet, you would expect the biggest crash ever. 1 trillion stars hitting 300 billion stars. But here is the most surprising secret of all. Almost no stars will actually hit each other. But here's the wild part, the most surprising part of it all. Even with 1 trillion stars in each galaxy, almost none of them will actually crash. Not a single one. The space between stars is just that huge. It's like two big clouds of dust blowing through each other. The clouds mix together, but the tiny bits of dust almost never touch. Our sun will simply drift through, finding a new place among the stars of Andromeda. But the galaxies themselves will not pass by so easily. Their big, invisible hands of gravity will grab hold of each other. They will begin a slow, beautiful, and wild dance that will last for hundreds of millions of years. This is their first pass-through. As they swing around each other, they will stretch and pull. Our neat spiral galaxy will be pulled apart like taffy. Andromeda will be warped and twisted too. This cosmic pull will create long, glowing rivers of stars called tidal tails, streaming out into the blackness. These tails will paint the dark with light. They are a sign of the great change. Our familiar starry home will be gone, replaced by these new, amazing shapes in the sky. It is the beginning of a brand new cosmic artwork, and it gets even more amazing. As the two galaxies start to mix, their huge clouds of gas and dust will smash into each other. This is not a quiet event. It is a cosmic thunderclap that will wake up the sleeping stardust. this great crash of gas starts something incredible, a starburst. The squeezed gas clouds will suddenly light up, giving birth to billions of new stars all at once. It is a firestorm of creation, faster and brighter than anything our galaxy has seen in ages. Imagine a sky set ablaze, not with fire, but with the light of a billion new suns. The darkness will be pushed back by an explosion of blue and white baby stars. This new galaxy will shine with a fierce, brilliant light across the universe. But deep in the middle of this beautiful chaos, two monsters are waiting. At the heart of our galaxy and at the heart of Andromeda live supermassive black holes. Each one is a giant, millions of times heavier than our Sun. As their homes combine, these two giants will start their own final, spiraling death dance. For millions of years they will circle each other, getting closer and closer. They will twist space around them, preparing for the biggest collision of all. But what about us? What about our tiny home, our Earth spinning around our Sun? This is the most amazing part of the story. Our whole group of planets, our solar system, will likely be safe. We won't be crushed or destroyed. Instead, we will be moved. We will get a new address in the cosmos. As the two great star islands mix and swirl, our Sun will be grabbed by the new, bigger pull. It will be tossed onto a completely new path, a new road through the stars. Picture it. Our home will be flung far away from the busy, bright center. We will end up in the quiet outer parts of the new galaxy. The night sky from Earth, or whatever is left of it, will be totally different. A new map of stars, a new cosmic neighborhood. After all that time, after all that wild dancing, the show will finally end. The two beautiful spinning shapes of our home and our neighbor will be gone. They will have mixed together forever. In their place, a new, single, giant galaxy will be born. Scientists already have a name for it. Milkomeda. This new home won't be a spiral. It will be a huge, roundish cloud of stars, a different kind of galaxy, called an elliptical galaxy. A giant, glowing ball of golden light shining in the dark. But we have to remember how long this takes. This whole story plays out over 4 to 6 billion years. That number is so big, it's hard to even think about. It is a story told by time itself. By the time this new galaxy is finished being built, our own Sun will be very, very old. It will have grown into a huge red giant star. Life on Earth will have ended long before. This story isn't about us staying the same. It's about how everything in the universe changes. So the next time you are outside on a clear, dark night, look up. If you are very lucky, you might see a tiny, fuzzy patch of light. That little smudge is the Andromeda Galaxy. You aren't just looking at a faraway island of stars. You are looking at our future. It is a silent, beautiful promise moving toward us through the darkness. A reminder that we are part of a story so big, so grand, it is written across the sky. And so, for billions of years, this new, giant star city will drift through the dark. The fires of its birth will cool. The wild dance will slow to a gentle spin. The universe will watch as our two homes become one, settling into a long, quiet peace. This new galaxy will look very different from our own. It won't have the beautiful spinning arms of the Milky Way. Instead, it will be a huge, glowing ball of stars, what we call an elliptical galaxy. A calm, ancient city full of old suns. The great star-making clouds will be gone, all used up in the big collision. The bright, young blue stars will fade away. Over time, our new home will become a galaxy of reds and golds, a gentle, shining giant filled with trillions of long-lived stars. It sounds like a quiet ending, a slow fade into the long night. But the story of our cosmic home doesn't stop there, because our new galaxy is part of an even bigger journey, one that started long ago. Picture this. Our Milky Way and Andromeda are just two big members of a family of galaxies. This family is called the local group, and this whole family is moving together through space. Everything here is being pulled. An invisible cosmic river is carrying us all toward a place we cannot see. A mysterious, giant something with so much gravity, it pulls on thousands of galaxies at once. We call it the Great Attractor. So, the journey of Milkomeda is just beginning. After it forms, it will continue to travel with its family. Over ages we can barely imagine, our local group will meet other galaxy families. They will all come together in the great cosmic river, and the stuff that makes up our world, our sun, and even you, will be part of this grand trip. The very atoms from our corner of the cosmos will travel across unimaginable distances. They will become part of a super city of galaxies, a structure so big it stretches across millions of light years. This shows us a beautiful truth. Our galactic crash is not an ending, it is a becoming. The universe is always building, always changing. Galaxies are like cosmic clay, being shaped and reshaped into new, grander things. So, the next time you see that faint smudge of the Andromeda galaxy in the sky, remember what you are truly seeing. You are not just looking at a neighbor. You are looking at our future, our destiny, and a beautiful cosmic dance that has already begun.